Computer science videos here today to show you guys. In this tutorial, I'll ask the question, how do I delete the web browsing history on the Firefox web application on a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So, let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Firefox in this case. Go to the top navigation menu, click on history, or we can press Command and Y. That gives us all the history. So to delete today's, click on today, right click, delete. Or we can click on history and we have the history for the last 7 days, this month, August, July, June, older than 6 months. Hover over and press delete. And so now all the history for the previous year or so has been deleted. Why should we do that? Well, in order to stop caching in all the memory, it's best to delete the information we do not require. And so by doing this, we can allow our computer to run more smoother. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.